Welcome, class. Today, our session title is Week 3, Session 9, Subatomic Particles and Isotopes. We will move slowly and make the chemistry understandable. Your goal is to identify protons, neutrons, electrons, atomic number, mass number, and isotopes. Listen for these key terms: proton, neutron, electron, atomic number, mass number. First, keep the three chemistry levels together. Atoms are made of a dense nucleus containing protons and neutrons, with electrons occupying regions around the nucleus. The atomic number equals the number of protons and determines the element. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons. When you feel stuck, ask, what did I observe? What are the particles doing? And what symbol or calculation represents it? The core model is this. Mass number equals protons plus neutrons. For a neutral atom, electrons equals protons. For an ion, adjust electrons according to charge. Do not rush to an answer. Build the model first, then let the model guide the calculation or explanation. Now let's work an example. Reading isotope notation. Carbon-14 has atomic number 6, so it has 6 protons. Its mass number is 14, so neutrons equals 14 minus 6 equals 8. A neutral carbon-14 atom has 6 electrons. Carbon-12 and carbon-14 are both carbon because both have 6 protons, but they differ in neutron count. Notice how the answer comes from evidence and reasoning. Here is a second example. A sodium ion, Na+, still has 11 protons because it is still sodium. The positive charge means it has lost 1 electron, so it has 10 electrons. Charge changes electron count, not proton count. Now answer this self-check. How many neutrons are in oxygen 18? A strong answer should include 10. Hint: oxygen has atomic number 8, so 18 minus 8 equals 10. Before you leave, practice actively. Task 1. Find protons, neutrons, and electrons in neutral chlorine-35. Task 2. Find electrons in Mg2+. Task 3. Explain why changing neutron number does not change the element identity. At the end of your study, write one sentence beginning, "The chemistry idea I must remember is." For more practice and exam preparation, visit www.bridgetoexam.com.